If schools are looking for a whole school shared learning experience on anti-bullying, then OpenView Education can provide anti-bullying workshops and shows that are engaging, educational and fantastic value. We have flexible arrangements that can work for schools whatever their needs are, and we can work with students in person or online. If a school would like us to work with their students online, then we provide our online anti-bullying theatre show. This professionally recorded performance is engaging, interactive, and it provides students with an experience of educational theatre in a way that's convenient and cost-effective for schools. Schools will also gain access to our Press and Play anti-bullying lesson. This video-led lesson includes character monologues to bring anti-bullying topics to life for students. The online experience is positive and it has a clear anti-bullying message that can be carried through the whole school. It's easy to access. There's no need to log on at a particular time because you can watch when you want, as often as you want, so it easily fits in with your curriculum. There's also minimal planning. Simply press play and enjoy. If a school would like us to work with their students in person, then we also provide socially distanced anti-bullying workshops. These workshops are interactive, theatre-based and well differentiated for each year group. For early years to Key Stage 1, the workshops use puppetry, music and drama. The sessions focus on topics such as teamwork and kindness. For Key Stage 2 and 3, the workshops use live performance and role play. These sessions equip students with specific skills for responding to bullying situations and for supporting their peers. So whether it's in person, online, or a combination of the two, we can provide a whole school shared learning experience on anti-bullying. So get in touch today and a friendly member of our team will respond with the perfect options for your school.